In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Squarespace feature or a third-party QR generator to add QR codes to your site. Now, QR codes have become a staple in bridging the gap between the physical and digital worlds. Whether it's directing your visitors to a specific web page, a video, or even a contact form, QR codes can play an integral role in enhancing user interaction and experience. So, let's dive right into it. First, if you're using Squarespace, you'll want to navigate to your website's back-end dashboard. The new feature we're exploring today is a part of Squarespace's innovative updates designed to make the integration and management of QR codes seamless. Once you're logged into your dashboard, head over to the page where you intend to place the QR code. It could be your home page, a product page, or even your contact page, wherever you think it's most beneficial for your audience. Next, you'll want to look for the new block option that Squarespace has added to the editor. It's typically represented by an icon that resembles a QR code. When you find it, click to add it to your page. This is where the customization magic happens. You can enter the URL or the content you want your QR code to link to. It could be a web page, a landing page, an email address, or any digital content relevant to your visitors. After generating the QR code, you'll get various customization options to ensure it fits seamlessly with your site's design. You can adjust the color, size, and even the style. Some prefer a simple black and white design, while others may choose colors that align with their site's branding. Keep in mind that readability is the key, so make sure your QR code stands out against the background and is easily scannable. If you decide to use a third-party QR generator, the steps are relatively similar. There are numerous generators available online. Some popular choices include platforms like QR Code Generator, Beacon Stack, or QR Stuff. Simply visit one of these services and input your desired link or content. Then, you'll have the chance to customize your QR code extensively, opting for frames, logos, colors, and even shapes depending on the service's offerings. Once you've created your QR code using a third-party service, you'll need to download it. Usually, the available formats will include JPEG, PNG, or SVG. I suggest choosing SVG if your website supports it, as this ensures the highest quality regardless of resizing. With your QR code ready, head back to Squarespace. You can upload the image directly to the page or section where you want it to appear. Integrate it as an image block, then adjust as needed. Be sure to preview your site on different devices to ensure everything appears correctly and the QR code is functional. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you can easily add a functional and stylish QR code to your Squarespace site, enhancing your audience's engagement and the overall user experience. Happy coding, and see you next time.